Hello everyone, welcome to the part 2 lesson where it's the left hand. This is a video for beginners, and I believe beginners need to really move in a stepwise motion. If we start skipping steps, we get frustrated. The right hand pattern is similar to what I did last week, so you're gonna need to check that out because I'm just gonna do a refresher on that. The goal for this video is to get more independence with the left hand. So let's begin with the left hand. We're gonna do A minor, but I'd like to talk about this hand position. We're adding in just one more note, but some learners can get confused fairly quickly because it's daunting. There's a lot going on. So we're going to have our one finger on B, 2 on A, 3 on G, 4 is just going to hang out today on F, and then the 5 on E. That doesn't move. So that will really help us with good coordination. The first pattern, we're going to just use 2 notes in the left hand, quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the E minor. 2, and these are the notes in the chord. Back to the A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4 into the G. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you're brand new, I get it. Jim, well, you said G, but you're playing B. I am utilizing some of the notes in the chord. I'm going to go ahead and refresh the right hand pattern. 1 goes like this, 8th notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Back to A minor. 2, 3 and 4. And then G. 2, 3 and 4. And just in case if you sped up the video, remember I do this pattern a lot slower because I do concern myself with beginners to make sure that you learn correctly. Both hands sounds like this. Oh, see what I did there? We want that thumb on B so we don't have to move around. That's part of the coordination issue we have, the power tip. You got to know where your fingers are before you start. That will save headaches. So here I go, slowly. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 to the E minor. 1, 2, 3 and 4 back to A minor. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 to the G. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right, real quick, if you're getting value out of my videos, could you please hit the like button because it reaches other awesome people like you. And I do say that, but I do mean it. And a quick shout out to Andreas and Victoria. I know you're practicing some, so that is awesome. What I'd like to do now is go to pattern 2. And pattern 2 is very similar, refresher, top, bottom, okay, and then the middle. I'll demonstrate. 1, 2, 3 and 4, E minor. 1, 2, 3 and 4, A minor. 1, 2, 3 and 4 to the G. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Back to the left hand, double check, make sure you have everything set up correctly. 3 and pattern 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, E minor. 1, 2, 3 and 4, back to A minor. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 to the G. 1, 2, 3 and 4. All right, little ear training power tip. When you're doing this and you feel like you have the coordination down and the pattern's kind of okay, see if you can hear exactly what your left hand is doing and then exactly what your right hand's doing. That's really good for the brain, for independence, and then try to make sure the volume matches. And there's a lot more I could do and geek out on this, but really try to hear the hand separately. You can do it, slow it down if you have to, break by break. All right, pattern 3, my favorite, and we're just gonna refresh the right hand. We have 1 and 2, 3 and 4 to the E minor. 1, 2, 3 and 4, A minor. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then to the G. 2, 3 and 4. Both hands. Here I go, check in hand position. All right, you can even just play a little bit to hear it. These are all little things I've observed over decades of teaching. Here I go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, E minor. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, A minor. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 to the G. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. All right, so let me know how you like this video. I'm really having fun with these series. So until next time, happy practicing, and I'll talk to everyone real soon. Bye-bye.